What is up guys, SoftwareGeek here, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to find RAM frequency using command prompt in Windows PC or laptop. Run command prompt. The best way to do this is by pressing the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard to open the run dialog. Once it's opened, type CMD in the text box. In the command prompt window, type in WMIC memory chip get speed, and then hit enter. I have installed 2 sticks of memory and the speed is 3200 MHz. If you want more details, you can use this command to fetch all the available details for your installed RAM, WMIC memory chip get format list. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.